Today we are going to be talking about how to get your 4,000 watch hour when it comes to YouTube, and I will try my possible best to be as honest as possible. Okay, so I have successfully monetized 2 channels on YouTube, and in these 2 experience that I have, there is a whole lot when it comes to getting 4,000 watch hour. A lot of content creators today are suffering from 4,000 watch hour because they can easily get their 1,000 subscribers, but when it comes to the watch hour, it becomes a whole lot difficult. And this is what you need to know as a content creator. If you stayed up to 1 year on YouTube without getting monetized, YouTube starts reducing your watch hour. Okay, let me say you start your YouTube channel from January 2023, which is 2023, and then you get to January 2024, you did not monetize. That watch hour you accumulate for January 2023, YouTube will take it down for January 2024. And once you get to February 2024, you don't also monetize. YouTube will take the one you got from the 2023 from 2024. Okay, so that's how YouTube works. That's why a lot of people complain that, oh, my watch hour is decreasing. Hi Sonia, what is happening? I noticed that my watch hour, I have 500 before, right now I'm seeing just 200, or I'm seeing just 300. That is exactly what just happened in your studio. Okay, anyways, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time tuning in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share, because on this channel I try as much as possible to help you grow your YouTube channel to be successful. I want everybody to be successful on YouTube. Anyways, with that being said, if I am looking for 4,000 watch hour, what am I going to be doing as a content creator that has been on this YouTube platform for the past 3 years? The first thing I am going to be doing if I am looking for 4,000 watch hour as a content creator is to try and get my channel to 50 subscribers and then start live streaming. I can't even say more or less about this, because if you are always conversant on my YouTube live stream, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, 9:30 p.m. Nigerian time, you will know that I emphasize more when it comes to live streaming, because on my first channel, live stream was what helped me to monetize. I still have some of those live streams that I have here. Okay, so if you are still looking for 4,000 watch hour in this stage that we are, and you are not live streaming, sorry, your 4,000 watch hour is going to be struggling, except luck falls on you and you have that 1 viral video, 2 viral video, 3 viral video, and at the end of the day you just get a 4,000 watch hour at the platter of gold. But if you are not having all of that viral video that you are looking at for, and you are still not doing the live stream, I wonder why you're just uploading just long form videos. I wonder why you don't want to go live. It is very important for you to go live. In going live, it will help to build your watch hour. A lot of my subscribers that have been coming to my live stream, they know that we don't joke with live stream, and a lot of them have been going live, and ever since they found me, some of them have gotten monetized, some of them have gotten 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 watch hour. Okay, so you can also be among them. So even if you don't want to be going live and be putting out your face there to talk, there is this thing we call silent live stream, and I talked to them about the silent live stream, and most of them, 99% of them, are doing the silent live stream end, so that at the end of the day they can be able to meet up to their watch hour. So it is very, when I mean very important for you to start taking your live stream serious if you're looking forward to get that 4,000 watch hour. And if I am to start looking for 4,000 watch hour now, that's exactly what I am going to do. Live stream is something you should not joke with. And I know that someone might say in the comment section, how do I do silent live stream? There are a lot of ways you can do silent live stream without even putting your face there. Okay, there is something we call Restream App, where you can just put out any clip or video that is free. You can get them from places like Pixel, you can get them from places like what they call it, NASA, where you get all these free videos, and then you put them out there on the Restream, and your videos will just be live. That video will just be playing, and your watch hour will be accumulating. And if you cannot do that and you feel like that one is a long process, you can also just go to the YouTube live stream and just start your live stream. You will see the mic there. All you need to do is to mute that mic that you're seeing on your live stream, and you're going to be facing your camera to, or your phone or anything you're using to broadcast your live stream. You're going to be facing it to the wall, or anything you feel it is classic for you to face it, and you are good to go. You are doing your silent live stream. Your hours are counting. Go to sleep, wake up, maximum of 1 hour, minimum of 1 hour, maximum of 10 hours, and your live stream will be counting. A lot of questions that will come to me now is, some persons will be like, oh, Sonia, what if no one comes to watch the live stream? Even if no one comes to watch the live stream, and of which it is not possible for you to be broadcasting live, and YouTube will not promote your live stream, even if you have just the 50 subscribers. It is not possible. So YouTube will definitely promote your live stream. But even if you feel like nobody is coming to watch, yes, you are still going to be achieving small watch hour coming from the live stream. I am going to be attaching some of the watch hours that I have gotten from some of my live stream, and you can see if you add it up to your own, it is going to like amount to something. So it is very important for you to take your live stream very, very serious. So if you're not taking your live stream serious, you are one of the problem of meeting to your 4,000 watch hour. Then the second thing that I will do if I want to get my 4,000 watch hour is to be more consistent. I preach about consistency a lot, and I will always preach about consistency because I know that a lot of people want to actually achieve something out of YouTube, but they don't want to be consistent. A lot of people have this notation that if their first video, their second video, or their third video is not doing anything, then there is no point of them to continue filming on YouTube or creating content on YouTube. A lot of people think that if the first video that they upload have like 2,000 views, 1,000 views, 200 views, 500 views, and the second video that they upload is having like 50 views, 60 views, 17 views, there is no point for them to continue on YouTube. At the end of the day, you're not going to be achieving your watch hour. Yes, if you want to achieve that watch hour and monetize on YouTube, you have to remove your mind from your views and focus on what you are here to do. Why are you here? To get your channel monetized. And in getting your channel monetized, you have to be more consistent. So consistency is the key to every successful YouTuber. Any YouTuber you're seeing cashing out and becoming something great, just know that there's a lot of consistency and a lot of work put into their YouTube channel for them to be successful. And I always said it, consistency is not all about coming here to upload every day or coming here to upload 5 videos in a day or 10 videos in a day. If at the end of the video you upload 5 videos in a day, 10 videos in a day, and people are not still getting interest to watch your videos, you are still not going to be getting what you're going to be achieving. If you want to be consistent, make sure you are consistent with something that is bringing value, of which that is supposed to be my third point. Something that is bringing value. If at the end of the day you are trying to be consistent and you are not bringing value on this YouTube streets, sorry, that watch hour is not going to come. I just need to be plain to you. So learn to be consistent when it comes to your YouTube journey. Learn to tell yourself that you can do it. If the algorithm lifts you, the moment you said, oh, I'm not going to post for 1 week, I'm not going to post for 2 months, I'm not going to post for 3 months, the algorithm automatically said, okay, let's dump your channel. Especially as a new YouTuber, as a new content creator. If you have built a brand, you can see some brands, people that are well influential on YouTube, even if they go on a vacation for 1 month, 2 months, and they come back to upload videos, definitely their videos are still going to get views because they have built an audience, a reputable one for that matter, that are looking out for their videos. So some of the audience might even start commenting that, oh, I have not seen your video for so long ago, where have you been? Please come back now, I have missed you. But you as a content creator, who is going to tell you that he missed you as a new person? Nobody is going to tell you that they miss you. Nobody is going to miss you. So since nobody is going to miss you, you need to make yourself valuable and be putting out content here. You need to be consistent in everything you are doing. And let me talk about this consistency again when it comes to YouTube. You don't just need to be consistent and be repeating what you are doing that is not working for over a long period of time. Take, for example, you've been doing vlog over and the vlog is not working for you. You just want to be consistent vlog. Try other new things. Try other things that can bring light to your channel. So in terms of your consistency, build a reputable audience when it comes to this consistency of a thing, so that you can achieve your 4,000 watch hour. And in achieving your 4,000 watch hour, you are also going to be achieving building a loyal fan. Very important. The third thing I'm going to be talking about, and of which I've already mentioned, is bringing content that has value. No matter your consistency, like I said from the beginning, and if your content is not bringing value to the table, nobody is going to watch. At this stage, we are suffering. Like I'm not going to say just in Nigeria, 99% of countries, they are suffering and they want to get what can bring this money to my table. What can I watch that will add something to me, that will add something to what I have been passing through, that will put a smile on my face, that will make me know that, oh, I need to make this money out there. And if you have all of those answers to your hands, they are going to come for you. But if you're bringing things that don't have value, nobody is going to watch. I am feeding my child pap. Nobody cares if you're feeding your child pap. I am feeding my child with, nobody cares. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So, but if you do weight, how your baby can gain weight with this pap. You see, people want their babies to gain weight, and they will come and watch your videos. They will subscribe and watch what you are doing. If you watch how to help your baby grow healthy with these 5 food. People will watch because they want their babies to be healthy. Nobody wants a child to be sick. I'm just using that as an example. If you have videos like how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on TikTok, how to make money on Twitter, people will watch because they want to make money. You're bringing value. But if you come here and you're sleeping and waking up, you told us, oh, I just woke up this morning and I just went to go and brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I just went to go and climb upstairs to be looking at the trees that are under. The trees are so green. We don't care about you waking up in the morning and brushing your teeth. Learn to bring something that has value no matter the kind of niche you are going into. Even if you're doing a lifestyle niche, learn to bring value. Even if you're doing a tutorial niche, learn to bring value. There are a lot of tutorials channels that are failing. Yes, they are tutorials channels, but they're not bringing what people want. But if you learn to have to bring value to the table, trust me, people that are supposed to watch your videos for just 2 minutes, 1 minute, they will watch your video. And let me tell you something, a lot of people that will come to your channel to come and watch your channel, they will not watch your video from beginning to the end. So if this video that I'm filming, for example, is 10 minutes long, I'm not expecting everybody to come and watch that video from beginning to the end. They are going to watch to... Some persons will even watch and start forwarding the video to be able to see to hear the next thing that I'm about to say. And if they are done, they will just click out of the video. This is to tell you that if in every section of your videos that you are uploading, learn to bring value so that you can achieve your 4,000 watch hour. The fourth thing I'm going to be talking about is, if I want to get 4,000 watch hour, is I'm going to be working more on my intro videos. Why, for crying out loud, you create intros videos that are 3 minutes, 2 minutes, you are still introducing yourself. We don't want to know. We don't want to know you. We want to see what we want to see. And the moment people start losing interest when it comes to your intro video, the moment they will lose interest coming to your main videos. In the next 15 seconds, 1 minute, 59 seconds, you should be done with telling us what we are coming to watch, if intro is even more important to you. That is why if you check out my intro video on this particular YouTube, you just see that I just put a picture and I said, oh, subscribe, and I go into the point of what I want to explain to you. In some of my videos, I even feel like intros are not interested. Let me just give people what they want. I don't even put the intro. So only your channel will have an intro with music, displaying, oh, you talk, you laugh, you jump, you do this. After we watch the intro finish for 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, you will now come and start saying, hello, welcome to my channel. I want to talk about you. Now start giving us all those mega talks before we get into the next videos. We'll click out of the video, and at the end of the day, you'll find out that you'll be seeing your average viewer duration 1 minute, 2 minutes, 59 seconds. Some people can even get their average viewer duration as little as 30 seconds because you are the cause. Learn to make your intro short and quick. Nobody have time to come and look so much into. Nobody have time to come and see what you are introducing. All what we need is what kind of content are you bringing. And if you want to teach me how to feed my child, for my child to be very healthy, let me see it going in the video. Then at the end of the video, you can blab and say anything you want to say for the video to be long. No wahala. We are not going to watch to the end as well. It is just few of us that we watch from beginning to the end. But if you make your intro quick, you make the first 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes of your video, between the videos, very quick and precise to what you are doing. A lot of people will watch, and you'll notice that your average viewer duration will be 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and that average viewer duration can also be able to accumulate some reasonable amount of watch hour for you. Just with one video, you can meet up the watch hour. With just one video of my channel, I've gotten over 12,000 watch hour. The video I uploaded recently, so it's not like the video that is so long. So you can also be that person. If you're looking for your 4,000 watch hour and you really want to grow on this YouTube, learn to stop putting those unnecessary things that are not necessary in your videos. If you're filming your videos and probably at the process of filming your video, there are some things that you said in the videos that are not necessary. Cut those parts off. That is why sometimes I can film a video of 20 minutes and I upload a video of 9 minutes, 10 minutes, because I feel like some part that I said is not necessary. So if it is not necessary, if I'm not going to watch as an individual, why do I now need to put out those kind of content? Because I just want a long minute video. I don't need it to be so long for me to get the engagement that I want to get. You can be creating a video of 23 minutes or 1 hour video or 30-minute video, and me creating a video of 9 minutes, 8 minutes, or even less than 8 minutes can even be making more revenue than you. So it all depends on how my audience are able to watch that video, how my audience are able to engage in that video, how advertisers are able to place ad on the kind of videos that I'm bringing to YouTube. That is what determines what I gain on this channel. So learn to cut out unnecessary parts of your video so that at the end of the day, you are going to be achieving 4,000 watch hour before the end of 24. It is going to be my greatest joy that you are going to get monetized on YouTube before 24 ends. So that is, you see these 4 things that I said, I am going to work towards that direction and make sure I achieve my 4,000 watch hour if I want to what? If I want to bring 4,000 watch hour on this YouTube street. Then the last thing I'm going to be talking about is don't quit. The moment you quit, you have lost everything. I keep saying it. I will always be here for you to cry to. I will always be here for you to listen to. It is very important, and in everything that you do on YouTube, don't quit. No matter how difficult it is, no matter how stressful YouTube is, don't quit your YouTube channel, because if you quit your YouTube channel, the watch hour you're not going to be getting, the monetization you're not going to be getting. You continue to do your 9-to-5 job and you will get tired. I have some of my students that come to me, some of them will tell me, oh, I created this channel for like 5 years ago. I created a channel for like 7 years ago, but I just uploaded 1 or 2 videos and I got tired of YouTube. Or some persons, you will notice that they even upload more than 30 videos and they got tired of YouTube. And they just left, and now they are coming back because they are tired of their 9-to-5 job. They want to use YouTube to be getting 1 or 2 income to their pocket, and it's becoming more difficult for them. So learn this basic thing that will actually help you to achieve your 4,000 watch hour by not quitting on your YouTube channel. Keep growing as days goes by. It is very okay for you to grow every day. It is very okay for you to put out new things here every day. It is very okay for you to keep correcting the old mistakes that you have on your other videos that is not bringing the views for you. And then these new ones are actually bringing the views for you. And if you're still suffering with your YouTube channel, you'll be like, oh, yeah, I'm tired of this YouTube channel. I need help. That is why I am here. This flyer displaying on the screen, I do class coaching. Okay, I coach for 1 day, for 1 week, for 2 weeks, and even for 30 days. First thing I will do is to go into your channel to see what is happening on your channel, what you are doing wrong, what you are not doing well, so that we can be able to correct that before we start the main classes. And the second thing, if you don't even have YouTube channel at all, you have not even started, but this is the first time you're watching my videos, and you'll be like, I want to start earning from YouTube. I want to start making something out of YouTube. Vibe with Sonia, can you help me? That is why Vibe with Sonia is here to help you. I can also help you build a channel from scratch. I've been doing it for my students, so yours will actually not be different. All you need to do is to send us email at what? faithonoja3195@gmail.com. Let us know you want to join our class. Let's get all the necessary things done, and let's get your class started for you to be able to achieve everything you want to achieve on YouTube. Remember, I always tell you that there is nothing you do on YouTube that is a waste. That is the honest truth. There is nothing you do on YouTube that is a waste. If you invest any money on YouTube here, you are not wasting it. You are going to be gaining everything that you intend to gain at the end of the day. So that is why I am here. These flyers that is displaying, this email that is displaying is telling you that Vibe with Sonia can help you. Send us a mail today, and trust me, you will be happy that you actually did. So thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. If this video have been able to help anyone out there, let me know in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed, this is the first time you're coming across my videos, or you've been watching my videos, YouTube have been recommending my videos, but you've not taken your time to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Please do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And if you have any video you have in mind and you want me to film for you, also let me know in the comment section, because my job here is to deliver exactly what you are requesting. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys.